Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, this is the fourth part of GRE vocabulary high frequency word, and before three parts I share on the description part also, and at the end of this video also you will get the playlist of GRE vocabulary high frequency word, so you can check it out. And if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe my channel so that you will not miss the upcoming parts of this. So now we start our content. First word is delightful, and it is an adjective. The meaning of this word is greatly pleasing or entertaining. That means it make you feel happy, or it help you to entertain. So synonyms are pleasing, lovely, and the example is the comedy was delightful. That means the comedy was entertaining. See here, I shared the related picture. See how a child is feeling delightful in the environment. So now move on to the sentences. The first sentence is this animated short film is a delightful watch for the whole family. And that means this short movie is entertaining for the whole family. So now move on to the second sentence. During this period, the most American encounter air conditioning only in places such as theater or department store, where it was seen as a delightful novelty. That means the most American find the AC in the place of theater and department store, which create a delightful, that means pleasing creation. So now move on to the third sentence. He said, it is a terrible tragedy. They are a delightful family. Couldn't be nicer people. That means he is saying there is a terrible tragedy happen in the family, that the family is entertaining but the people are not nice. So now move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So I will give the 10-second pause. After that I can continue the next word. If you want to read and understand this, just pause the video and you can read the entire sentences and then continue. Otherwise you can move on with me. So now move on to the next word. So our next word is braggart. Braggart is both a noun and adjective. So I share the both meaning here. So under the noun, the braggart means a very boastful and talkative person. That means a person who is talking a lot, much more, and pretending that everything is real, but many things are not existing in the real life. That person are called braggart. And the adjective is exhibiting the self-importance. That means the person showing on self-importance, that I am good, I am everything, just pretending to himself or herself only. So synonyms are boaster, bragger, self-aggrandizing. These all three words means the braggart. And see your example, he is a braggart person. See on the picture that how a man is telling that my car is going 300 miles per hour, but actually in real life it is not possible. So that person is a very talkative person and also a self-importance person. So now move on to the sentences. The first sentence is a braggart of a man. Her father said after the landlord left, and then he said nothing else. That means her father said that he's really a braggart person, showing the self-importance himself, and then he said nothing else. So now move on to the second sentence. Rogo described his client as a natural braggart whose claim of insider information didn't match reality. That means Raghu tell that his client is a braggart. That means a talkative person whose claims are not matched to the reality. That means her words are boastful. Now move on to the third sentence. Third sentence, who would want anything more to do with this vainglorious braggart that is necessary? So He's telling that who want to be that fake braggart, vainglorious means not a wise person. So now move on to the 5 more sentence. So now move on to the our third word. So now third word is brutality. That means a noun. The meaning of brutality means the act of extreme cruelty. See here on the picture that how a policeman showing a brutality under the peoples. That means a brutality, that he showing a cruelty. So the synonyms are ferocity, viciousness. Both means the brutality. An example, the policeman show brutality against civilians. I made the sentence same as the picture. So you can see on the picture and then you can remember the word that oh, brutality means that. So now move on to the sentences. The first sentence is much of the police brutality was not captured on video but recounted by victim and witness. That means when the police showing the brutality, that is, if it is not captured on video, then it will be shown by the victims and the witness. So now move on to the second sentence. The Inspector General is also investigating 24 cases of alleged police brutality. So second sentence means the General Inspector is investigating 24 cases that against the police. So now move on to the third sentence. Since the protests began last June, there are growing concern about police brutality and the rule breaches occurring without consequence, including the targeting of journalists. That means the protest which began on the last June, that show the police brutality and the rule can create a lot of targeting journalists, that many journalists are victim of the police brutality. So now move on to the 5 more sentences. So now move on to the fourth one. See, our fourth word is mellifluous. It is an adjective and the meaning of this word is pleasing, smooth and musical to hear, of a sound. So I tell you one thing, that on GRE, if something is mentioned on the bracket or vocabulary or anything, then it is the specific condition. So that means mellifluous is related to a sound. The sound is smooth and musical to hear. So careful about it. When something is mentioned on the bracket, that is the most important and the main point of the sentence or the word. So synonyms are mellifluent, melodious, mellifluent, sweet tone, sweet sounding. And the example, the bird has low mellifluous voice. That means bird has very less smooth, very low smooth and low musical voice. See here I share a bird picture, that bird is singing a mellifluous sound. So now move on to the sentences. First sentence is, will your parents allow me to interview directly? He asks in a mellifluous voice. In a sweet tone, he asks that your parents allow me to interview. So now move on to the second sentence. Music in marriage is especially mellifluous this day. That means nowadays, if the music is added on the marriage, then that is really a sweet sounding and very smooth, pleasant for the marriage. So now move on to the third sentence. And his voice, mellifluous, clear, teacherly, but never overbearing, was seemingly everywhere. That means his voice seemingly everywhere, present everywhere, which is mellifluous clear, teacherly, but never overbearing means which is not producing a bad sound. Overbearing means something of bad. So now move on to our 5 more sentences under this word. So now the last word for this video is belligerent, that is both noun and adjective, and the meaning of this word under the noun is someone who fights or fighting, and under the adjective, characteristic of eager to fight, that means the nature to fight. So synonyms are bellicose, fighter, hostile, aggressive. This all means the fighting nature or someone who is fighting. So example to this word is the mood at the meeting was belligerent. That means at the meeting time the mood is really of fighting nature. So I shared the related picture here, how the girl and the boy are fighting with each other. So this word you can learn also another way, that is root word. See here, the belly means always a fighting nature or war. So see here, next word is that bellicose. Belly means fighting nature or war nature. So you can also learn this word or remember this word by the root word technique. That means belly means something bad. Yeah. So belligerent means something bad. Simply I told before that melly, see here. So melly means the good word, sound, good word. That so the good sound. See here. Other words are mellifluent, mellifluent. So by this word root you can understand the word that melly means something, this word is something positive word. That sense you can clear by the root word. So now move on to the sentences. The first sentence is according to a new release, Morris was belligerent and refused to calm down when approached by the officer. That means according to the news, the Morris was fighting nature and he refused to calm down when the officer come near to him. So now second sentence is 5 years into this conflict, that means war, and belligerent are still failing to uphold this responsibility. It is shocking. That means 5 years happened for this war and fighting, and they are failing to uphold their responsibility, and it is really a shocking. That means the second sentence. And the third sentence is it is the act of belligerent personality craving the war. That means the fighting nature personality only create the war in the nature. So that means the third sentence. Now move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So guys, this was for this video. For the upcoming next video, please subscribe our channel if you are new to our channel, and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the notification for the upcoming video. Until then guys, take care. Thank you guys so much for watching our video, and please subscribe our channel, like and share this video, and please support us. Thank you so much for watching this. Bye, take care.